Here's how to add a red effect in CapCut on your phone. It's super easy. Open CapCut, add your video or photo, tap Effects, search red, and choose your style. It's incredibly simple and no hassle at all, as you can see here. We just go into the app and start editing. In CapCut, add your video or photo, then tap on Effects, as you can see here, to start customizing your project. In the Video Effects section, type red in the search field, press OK, and you'll see a wide variety of red effects appear. Choose the one that best suits your project's aesthetic, as you can see here, to add a vibrant touch to your video or photo. There are red effects you can choose to suit your taste. For example, if you're making a video, you should select the one that fits best. Choose the red effect that fits a specific frame, as you can see here. Carefully select the one that enhances your scene. Now let's move to the next step. For tense scenes, avoid using overly dramatic effects, as you can see here. Choose subtlety for better impact. Perfect fit. We have a girl on her phone, sitting and using it, as you can see here, for example. The effect shows that sitting on the phone too long isn't good, which fits well, as you can see here. Choose this cool effect. It's quite nice and fits perfectly, as you can see here. Feel free to choose what you like. Thanks for watching, best of luck, and goodbye everyone. See you next time.